In the age of Industry 4.0, visionary manufacturing companies seize the opportunity to be insights-driven by collecting and analyzing massive volumes of IoT data and then using this data to scale their business without scaling costs. These manufacturers continuously innovate by integrating data from engineering, manufacturing, sales, and service to cut time to market, improve product quality, and customer service. Visionary manufacturers rely on Cloudera to capture data in motion from connected devices, connected supply chain systems, and connected shop floor sensors, and infuse it with data at rest, such as work orders, return orders, and quality records. Cloudera DataFlow is a real-time streaming data platform that transforms data into actionable intelligence. For example, by proactively taking maintenance actions rather than reacting to maintenance issues after the fact, companies can dramatically increase planned uptime while decreasing manufacturing costs. Being insights-driven means capturing and processing all real-time IoT data and combining it with historical data normally trapped in silos, empowering real-time decision-making. Innovative manufacturers deploy Cloudera DataFlow to execute mission-critical priorities, such as predictive maintenance, supply chain optimization, yield maximization, quality control, and recall avoidance. Cloudera DataFlow empowers manufacturers to be insights-driven through development of next-generation products and expansions into new IoT-enabled value-added services. CDF captures and processes data from the edge devices on the manufacturing floor, enriches it with enterprise data, analyzes the data in real time to produce predictive insights. Applying advanced analytics and machine learning to real-time and enterprise transaction data provides a comprehensive view of global manufacturing operations and paves the way for automated smart factories. Cloudera is at the center of all these digital transformations. To learn more about how manufacturers manage their IoT implementations with Cloudera, visit us today.